What's up, you guys? It is Ashley here with Dancing with Ash, and we are continuing our turn series. This is our second week, and I'm going to be going over the walk around turn, also known as a spot turn, a switch turn. It's got different names depending on how you execute it, but it's basically the same thing. I'm going to give you guys the overview of what it is, how to do it, and then I'm also going to give you guys a little practice routine that you can do around the house so you can get really good at this. So let's get to it. I'll see you out on that dance floor. Alright guys, so before we get started into the spot turn or walk around turn, I'm going to have you practice something. It's a little out of the box, but you'll get it. You'll get it why it'll all come full circle. So I want us to start with your weight on the right or left foot. I'm on my right foot, and you're going to weight towards the ball of the foot. I want you to take your left foot and you're going to push yourself around your right foot. So this is called a paddle turn. And I want you to think that there's a $100 bill underneath your right foot that you do not want to let go. Yeah? Okay, so let's try it on the left foot. Just bear with me, and we're going to paddle turn to the left on our left foot. Okay? Another way of thinking about this is that you're screwing the left foot into the ground, you're winding it up, or again, that you have a $100 bill underneath that foot. So practice that a few times just to really understand how we're going to move forward into this walk around turn or spot turn. I'm going to turn around and we're going to put our weight onto our right foot. Now when we do this, again, that $100 bill is under my right foot. Now with this turn as well, I want you to think that you're on a balance beam. There's two ways that I'll be breaking this turn down, but for right now, I want you to think that you're on a balance beam. And you're going to stay in your lane. You're going to stay on that beam all the way through this. So I'm on my right foot. I'm going to take my left foot forward and across on that balance beam. And then I'm going to turn over my right shoulder. Most of my weight is still into that right foot. I placed my weight into the right foot, so that was a half of a turn, and then I'm going to step side on my left foot to complete. So that right foot did not move. I am $100 richer, right? So again, stepping weight on that right foot, I'm on that balance beam. I'm going to take my left foot forward and across. I'm rotating over my right shoulder, and then I'm stepping to the side. I'm going to show you guys in this direction as well, so you can see that I'm not wavering off of my balance beam. So I'm stepping side, left foot forward and across. I'm going to rotate and then step side. Okay? You can also do this on the left, right? You have a right side, you have your left side. I'm on my left foot. The $100 bill is under my left foot. Taking my right foot forward and across, rotate, and then step side. So again, left foot, forward and across. I'm on that balance beam and then step to the side. So that's one way to execute this turn. Another way to execute this is at different angles, right? So we're off the balance beam. So I'm going to go over that right now. So I'm on my right foot. Still same concept. That $100 bill is underneath my right foot, the ball of my right foot. I'm now going to take my left foot forward and across towards this corner. I'm going to rotate over my right shoulder to this corner, and then another rotation to step side. So there's more happening at the end there to give it a really nice look. So this is, I would say this is probably more advanced than the one I showed you previously. So for my math nerds out there, or perfectionists, I'm going to be taking an eighth of a rotation. I'm going to step forward, then a half of a rotation here, and then 3/8 of a turn to finish. Okay? So going over my left foot, the $100 bill is on the ball, under the ball of my left foot. I'm going to take my right foot forward and across at that angle. I'm going to do a half turn to this corner, and then I'm going to do 3/8 of a turn all the way around. So again, we have left, so I'm going to go corner, half turn, and then all the way around here. Okay? So that's two ways of executing it. I would practice both. And yes, So now what I want to give you guys is a drill that you can do and just keep this going. It almost feels like a figure 8. So with the first style of the balance beam, our weight's on that right foot. I'm going to do my right turn, and then I can immediately go into my left turn, forward and across, and I'm on that balance beam the whole time. And this is where I said it feels like a figure 8. $100 bills under my left foot, here, and to the side. I can do that with the angled one, same thing. $100 bill, I step forward, half turn, $100 bill here, and all the way around. So yeah, so that is your spot turn, your walk around turn, and also a switch turn depending on how it's all executed. I didn't go over the ball of the foot, the ball heel, any of that, because it just depends on what dance style you're dancing. You want to consult your instructor that you're working with to finalize those details. And this is just to understand what the turn actually is without all those details. So you definitely, want to talk with your instructor. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you got a lot out of it. If you have any questions, comments, please post them below, or you can always contact me directly. And if you liked it, share it. If you want more, subscribe to my page. And sending you much love, and we'll see you on the dance floor soon. Mwah!